Let me introduce you to Go High Level, the ultimate platform for helping small businesses grow. Think of it as your one-stop shop for automating lead generation, follow-ups, scheduling, and so much more. And here's the best part. You can use it to start your very own SaaS business. That's right, your own software business. And before you think, I don't know how to run a software business, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to know how to code. You don't even need any prior experience. I'll show you exactly how to get started and how you can land your first paying clients before you've even spent a single dollar. Here's why this is so exciting. Think about all the small businesses around you: real estate agents, chiropractors, med spas, plumbers, fitness studios. These people are incredible at what they do, but they're overwhelmed. They're trying to juggle leads, follow-ups, and appointments while still running their business. And let's be honest, they're losing leads and money because there just aren't enough hours in the day. That's where you come in. With Go High Level, you can offer them an all-in-one solution that makes their lives so much easier. You can set them up with AI-powered tools that handle everything from customer inquiries to appointment bookings, all automatically, 24/7. Imagine how much time that could save them. But here's the real kicker. Most small business owners already know they need automation. Studies show that 63% of them are ready to invest in it. They just don't know what to buy or where to start. That's why this opportunity is so huge. You can be the one to step in and give them exactly what they're looking for. Let me show you how easy this is. With Go High Level, you can set up an AI chatbot for a business in just a few clicks. This chatbot can answer customer questions, collect their contact details, and even book appointments, all without the business owner having to lift a finger. And that's just one feature. The platform also lets you create automated email and text campaigns, design marketing funnels, and track everything in one simple dashboard. And here's where it gets really exciting. Most people only get a 14-day trial when they sign up for Go High Level. But because you're here, you're getting an extended 30-day free trial. That's double the time to explore everything this platform has to offer. During those 30 days, you'll have access to pre-made templates and funnels that make it super easy to get started, automated workflows that handle follow-ups and lead nurturing for you, step-by-step training that walks you through exactly how to set this up for clients, and the ability to customize everything to match your clients' needs. You can literally start landing clients and making money before your trial even ends. And if that's not amazing enough, you'll keep 100% of the profits from every client you sign up. Let me share a quick example. A real estate agent I worked with landed 5 new clients in their first month using this platform. Another business owner doubled their revenue just by automating their follow-ups. These are the kinds of results people are seeing, and there's no reason you can't do the same. And if you're wondering, what happens after the trial? It's simple. If you love it, and trust me, you will, you can keep using Go High Level for just $297 a month. That's it. And with just 1 or 2 clients, you're already covering that cost and earning a solid profit. If it's not for you, no problem. You can cancel anytime, no questions asked. There's zero risk. But here's the thing. This opportunity won't be around forever. The demand for AI-powered tools is skyrocketing, and small businesses everywhere are starting to catch on. Right now, you have the chance to position yourself at the forefront of this movement. You could be the person they call when they need help automating and growing their business. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link below to start your 30-day free trial. Let me help you land your first client and start building something incredible. This is more than just a business. It's a chance to create freedom, flexibility, and something you can truly be proud of. Don't wait. Let's make this happen. I'm excited to see what you'll achieve.